This 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 338 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Highland Ridge is 39 feet 10 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a boardwalk interior, sleeps 9, water heater, TV antenna, slideout, oven, smoke detector, external shower, spare tire kit, microwave, air conditioning, LP detector, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 338 BHS is 10,724 pounds. This 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 338 BHS. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.